Alright guys, so I finally made it to SEMA and we got 2 hours left. Special thanks to Chris over here, who's keeping my backpack at the booth for me. And this is the guy that has a Time Attack yellow FD. Beautiful Lamborghini. Look at that color. So we are here at Larry Chen's booth. It's really, really awesome. This is that Drift C8 that Larry Chen and I were chasing at Laguna Seca. So badass. Check out this Corvette. Oh my God, it looks like a bumblebee. Really, really cool. It's 2020 Corvette C8R. Obviously, this is a race car. We're gonna check out TJ Hunt's booth. This is a Ferrari that he put a wide body on and repainted the whole car. Let's check it out. Huge wing in the back. Look at that diffuser. Oh, carbon fiber front lip. Very interesting. All right, so Chris, can you tell me how long you have had your FD for?
15 years now, since like 2009.
Oh my God. So how much did you pay for your car back then?
$7,000.
Are you freaking shitting me? $7,000. Are you serious?
Yeah.
And would you be able to share how much you have put into your car so far? Over 6 figures?
Yeah, I don't know the exact number, and I don't think I want to.
Don't keep track. That is crazy. Delura, I think. It looks like a Batmobile. It's pretty cool. We have Ken Block's car behind me, and I think this is the same one that was in the Peterson Museum. Check it out. We got an SX. Beautiful spec. So this is Larry Chen's car and a mini motorcycle with this beautiful backdrop. I love it. Oh my God. Brian's garage. Look at this. So dope. So on my flight on the way here, I was watching Fast and Furious, and yeah, look at this Brian's R34, and check out this beautiful orange Supra. Suki. Pagani, oh my God. We're looking at Pagani up close. Man, this color is so pretty. I can't tell if it's a wrap or paint. It's like color shifting. Look at the back. Is this a PPF or paint or wrap?
Paint. I have a
Paint.
PPF.
PPF over the paint.
Yes.
Okay.
Paint.
What's the name of the paint?
The name of the paint, I don't.
You're not sure. Okay.
It's actually the name of the owner.
Oh.
So the Pagani made that paint scheme
Oh, okay.
specifically for the owner of the car.
Wow, I see. And we got a yellow Ducati. Pretty cool. This is beautiful. We got Senna GTR. We got Hana Avocado in the back working. So we have 20 minutes left to SEMA show, and the last stop is going to be Toyo Tire booth. Let's see what kind of cars I got. We got here a little bit too late. Hopefully we can see some cars rolling out, maybe. We're back here at Larry Chen's booth. Behind me is his beautiful R34 GTR. I'm gonna try to get a video of him rolling out his car. Hopefully it won't take too long. Currently in Central Hall, and a bunch of cars are rolling out now because SEMA is closed at 4 p.m. Behind me, this is a Honda from Cusco booth. Unfortunately, I didn't get footage of Larry Chen rolling out because he told me it's gonna take him a while. So we're just out here watching other cars leaving SEMA. Check out this electric motorcycle, it's so dope. So Kayla, can you tell the audience how long it takes to build this car?
Ooh. The wide body kit took me about a month.
A month?
Yeah.
Wow.
Well, I work, so on the weekend a month. So theoretically maybe a week, 2 weeks if you didn't have work. And all the wrap took about a week and a half. All the other little stuff, a couple days each. So maybe if I did it all at once, 3 months, 4 months, yeah. My handle is @drivenbykayla.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.